Hi, I'm Allie, and welcome to KooBits, the best place for practicing math. In this video, I'm going to show you an example to solve a math problem. The method used can be applied to other similar math questions. Okay, let's get started.
The bar graph below shows the number of coins and notes Anissa has saved so far. Find the total amount of her savings. Let's break down the question and understand it, shall we? The bar graph below shows the number of coins and notes Anissa has saved so far. Let's look at the bar graph given. How many bars are there in the graph? Yes, 4 bars. What does each bar represent? That's right, each bar represents a different type of note or coin. Can you see this orange bar? It represents 50-cent coins as labeled. This blue bar, on the other hand, represents $2 notes, which is also labeled in the graph. Now, have you noticed that the bars have different heights? The height of each bar represents the number of notes or coins. For example, can you see that the height of the orange bar lies at the value of 20? This means that Anissa has saved 20 50-cent coins. Find the total amount of her savings. The question asks us to find the total amount of Anissa's savings. Alright, now that we've understood the question, let's move on to solve this word problem. Find the total amount of her savings. In order to find the total amount of Anissa's savings, we first need to find the number of 50-cent coins, $1 coins, $2 notes, and $5 notes. For that, let's take a closer look at the bar graph given. First, let's look at the bar representing the number of 50-cent coins. How many 50-cent coins are there? Yes, there are 20 50-cent coins. Now, let's look at the bar representing the number of $1 coins. What is the number of $1 coins? Let's trace the fine line that the height of this bar falls on. Can you see that it lies between 20 and 30? How do we find the value of this line? Observe the interval that separates each line. They are all equal and have a value of 5. Since the interval between each fine line is 5, we know that the number of $1 coins is equal to 20 plus 5 equals 25. Next, let's look at the bar representing the number of $2 notes. Similar to the previous bar, the height of this bar lies between the number 30 and 40. So, the number of $2 notes is equal to 30 plus 5 equals 35. Lastly, let's look at the bar representing the number of $5 notes. How many $5 notes are there? Yes, there are 10 pieces of $5 notes. Now that we know the number of each type of coins and notes, we can find the total value. Do you get it? Great! Let's move on to the next part. Let's recall the number of each type of coins and notes there are. We saw that there are 20 50-cent coins, 25 $1 coins, 35 pieces of $2 notes, and 10 pieces of $5 notes. Now let's find their respective values. The value of 20 50-cent coins is equal to 20 times 50 cents equals 1,000 cents equals $10. The value of 25 $1 coins is equal to 25 times $1 equals $25. The value of 35 pieces of $2 notes is equal to 35 times 2 equals 70. The value of 10 pieces of $5 notes is equal to 10 times $5 equals $50. The total amount is equal to $10 plus $25 plus $70 plus $50 equals $155. Hence, the total amount of Anissa's savings is $155.
KooBits, engaging the digital kids.